How to disable music in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely disable the music. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. So we're in this settings interface. Here on the third option, there's a slider of music. So here you can adjust the music however you like. Now in order to have it completely to zero, you can completely put the slider down to 0. Now you won't have any disturbance in the music. So if you do this, you won't have any disturbance and you can play freely, focusing on the game. So it will be better if you do it, and you'll be able to hear the sound of bunny and footsteps too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.